Welcome to Radiant Mindset. Today's affirmations are here to help you embrace deep healing, release emotional wounds, and restore balance within. As you listen, allow each word to guide your mind and body toward peace. You are strong, whole, and worthy of complete healing in every area of your life. I am healed in body, mind, and spirit, allowing divine light and love to fill every cell and bring perfect health into my life effortlessly. Every breath I take fills me with strength, vitality, and the healing energy that flows through me naturally, restoring balance and harmony within. I release all past pain, trauma, and fear, creating space for joy, peace, and wholeness to fully blossom in my heart and mind. My body is a miraculous vessel of health, constantly repairing, rejuvenating, and aligning itself to its natural state of vibrant wellness and strength. I am grateful for my body's ability to heal, adapt, and grow stronger every day, bringing me into a deeper connection with myself. I am a magnet for positive healing energy that renews my cells, uplifts my spirit, and restores my mind to a state of peace. I let go of all resistance to healing, opening my heart to the gentle flow of energy that brings balance, restoration, and harmony. My mind is free from worry and filled with thoughts that encourage my body to heal and thrive at its fullest potential. I lovingly release all tension, stress, and negativity, making room for peace, wellness, and divine energy to nourish my entire being. I am deeply connected to the source of infinite healing energy, which constantly flows through me, repairing every part of my body. I speak words of health, love, and vitality into my life, allowing them to manifest into my reality with grace and ease. Every cell in my body vibrates with life, energy, and perfect health, guiding me toward wholeness and complete restoration. I honor my body's natural rhythm of rest, recovery, and renewal, trusting that it knows exactly how to heal itself fully. I forgive myself for any choices that harmed my well-being and replace guilt with compassion, love, and acceptance for my healing journey. My heart is free from the weight of the past, opening to love, joy, and a brighter future filled with vibrant health. I am surrounded by an atmosphere of love, safety, and positive energy that nurtures my healing on every level of existence. I choose thoughts that strengthen my body, calm my mind, and awaken my spirit to the fullness of life and health. I release all fear surrounding my health and trust the natural intelligence of my body to restore balance and wellness. My energy is aligned with the frequency of health, love, and vitality, attracting only what supports my healing process. I am whole, complete, and divinely protected, allowing my mind and body to flourish in perfect health and joy. Each day, my body grows stronger, my mind becomes clearer, and my spirit feels more alive and connected to life. I nourish my body with loving thoughts, healthy choices, and gratitude, allowing it to reward me with lasting health and wellness. I am patient and gentle with myself as I heal, knowing that every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. I trust the timing of my healing journey, knowing that my body and mind are working in harmony for my highest good. My immune system is strong, intelligent, and fully capable of protecting and restoring my health naturally and effortlessly. I embrace the healing power of love, letting it flow into every corner of my being, replacing pain with peace. I am free from all limitations that once held me back, stepping fully into a life of vibrant health and joy. My body is a sacred temple, and I treat it with the respect, care, and love it truly deserves every day. I am at peace with my body, trusting it to carry me gracefully through life as it heals and strengthens. I release all tension in my muscles, bones, and joints, allowing relaxation and restoration to flow freely within me. I radiate health, positivity, and light, inspiring others with my energy and commitment to my healing journey. I honor my need for rest and recovery, allowing my body to repair itself fully without guilt or resistance. My thoughts are a powerful tool for healing, and I choose to fill my mind with love, gratitude, and hope. I listen to my body's needs and respond with compassion, kindness, and mindful choices that promote lasting health. I trust in the infinite intelligence of life to guide my healing process and bring me to perfect health. I am surrounded by supportive, loving energy that uplifts and strengthens me as I heal each day. My spirit is unshakable, my mind is calm, and my body is becoming healthier with each passing moment. I believe in my ability to recover, thrive, and live a full, joyful life in radiant health. I am free from all emotional and physical burdens, and I welcome the lightness and freedom of healing. My body responds positively to love, kindness, and gratitude, restoring balance and wellness to my life. I am worthy of health, joy, and a life filled with vitality, and I claim them now. I accept that my healing journey is unique and trust that I am exactly where I need to be. Every heartbeat fills me with strength, courage, and the certainty that I am fully healing. I choose to live in alignment with health, joy, and inner peace every single day. My mind is my ally in healing, and I choose thoughts that nurture my well-being. I radiate love and gratitude to every part of my body, encouraging it to thrive. I release all energetic blockages and allow my life force to flow freely within me. I honor my journey and celebrate every sign of progress along the way. I am deeply grateful for the miraculous healing happening in my body right now. My inner strength carries me through every challenge with grace and resilience. I open my heart to the healing power of unconditional love. I deserve to feel good, happy, and healthy every single day. I embrace peace as my natural state and allow it to heal me. I am resilient, capable, and worthy of complete restoration. My healing is inevitable, and I trust the process fully. I let go of all that no longer serves my well-being. I choose faith over fear in my healing journey. My body is my greatest ally in life and health. I focus on progress, not perfection, as I heal. I am healed, whole, and at peace in every way. Thank you for joining Radiant Mindset today. Remember, your healing journey is a powerful act of self-love. Listen daily, believe deeply, and watch your transformation unfold. If these affirmations resonated with you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to keep this positive energy flowing into your life and others.